Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you how to download the Visual Studio. So first we have to open the any browser, or you can open in the Mozilla Firefox or Chrome. So I'm just opening the Chrome and then write Visual Studio download and then click on it and click on the first link Visual Studio and VS Code download for the Windows, Mac and Linux. It will provide the three options: community, professional or enterprises. So I will recommend to download in the community version. It will be a free download. The version is 2026. So now it's downloading. Now it will be around 4.2 MB. So let them first install. Click on the continue. Visual Studio installer. Okay, let them install. It will be around 37.44 MB of Visual Studio installer. First it will download and then it will install. It will approximately take 10 to 15 minutes of time. Depends on the internet connection. Okay, now that screen will open. So what you have to go select? You have to select desktop development with C++. That will be inbuilt in the CMake, dlib and the face recognition library. So you have to just select that particular option and then click on the install. It will approximate 2.84 GB of Visual Studio Community. Once select that particular desktop development C++, then click on the install. So the Visual Studio Community downloading 2026 version. It will approximately take 10 minutes to download. So let them install, and the installing packages around 475 packages. And if you're facing any error or any issue to download that particular Visual Studio, then just let me know in the comment section. We'll try to reply as soon as possible, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp if you have doubt related to installing or downloading that particular Visual Studio installer. And we are developing projects in multiple domains like Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. So you can directly contact us. So let them install first. It will take time to download. Like it's completed. I have skipped some part. Okay, now you have to open the project folder. Then in the same folder, you have to open the terminal, and we have to install libraries like CMake, wheel, dlib. Okay, so first you have to install the CMake library. You have to just write pip install CMake, and it will be around 38.5 MB. So let them install. Installing collected packages CMake. Okay, now it's downloaded. We have to check the version. So just write pip show CMake. Then it will show the version of CMake library. So let's you can see like name is CMake and the version is 4.2.1. Let's CLS and then again install the wheel library. So we have to just write pip install wheel, then enter. let them download. Okay, now it's downloaded. So we have to check the version of wheel. Then you can write pip show wheel. Like that, you can check the version of any library. Then enter. So it will show the version of 0.46.3. Like that, you can download any library and you can check the version by pip show will. You can install the library through pip install will. Let's download one more library, pip install delete. Now you can download any of the library. You can check the version as well. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.